Physicians for Women is a women's health practice. We have almost 40 OBGYN providers, and we serve 6 different locations in the greater Richmond and Prince George areas in Central Virginia. So we're serving the women of this area and making sure that they have personalized, compassionate, comprehensive women's health care from adolescent gynecology through pregnancy, prenatal care, menopause, beyond menopause, urogynecology, mammography, basically all of the women's health services that are needed. The Sogolytics support team has been very helpful to us. They're very smart people, and they've helped us set up the surveys, the different types of surveys. They've been really helpful with any questions that we've had along the way with all of the different logic that goes into setting up a survey. And they've offered a lot of suggestions to us for making the survey taking experience faster and easier for our patients. Sogo does really everything that SurveyMonkey did and more. They allow us to use the automated distribution option and the data pre-population option where we'll pull a report from our system, all the patients that visited VPFW the previous day. We'll upload that, and they will automatically be sent based on what type of visit they had the previous day. And then with the pre-population, all of the data from that report, like, which doctor did they see, which location did they go to, what's their email address or cell phone, all of that automatically gets pre-populated into the survey so the patients don't even have to see those questions, let alone take the time to answer all of those questions. So it really speeds up the survey for them, but we get to see it on that information on the back end. And that was really important to us because, we want to ask the patient to do something for us at the end of the survey by, possibly leaving us a Google review. We want to make sure that we're making that survey taking experience as fast and easy as possible for them.
And I think one other main thing we were looking for in a company such as Sogo is a company that would listen to what our needs were and to be able to produce. And Sogo did that hands down. Again, as Catherine mentioned, very seamless. We told them what we wanted. We got it. We're happy with it. And I would not hesitate to call them for anything because I know they will have the answer. If they don't have the answer, they will find it and get back to us.
Yeah.
I think we have a good future.
Yeah.
Sogo.
The Sogo support team has been really helpful with, as Jaleesa said, looking at asking us what our needs are and trying to meet those needs for us. I would say one of the needs that we have, we talked about the end and exit options that Sogo has that SurveyMonkey did not have, so that we can have, patients who have left us a favorable review or rating, then be asked to leave a review for whichever location they visited. Going forward, we're trying to set up Google pages for each of our doctors at each of the locations that they serve. So Sogo is working on increasing the number of end and exit options so that we can cover, that'll be up to about 90 end and exit options. If you consider we have almost 40 providers and they all, see patients most of them see patients at more than one location. We are also looking at doing more webinars and talks that we can use Sogo to capture some feedback on those types of events and see what people liked about them and what kinds of information they want to learn more about for the next one. I think we have a lot to work on in the future with Sogo, and they've been very helpful at helping us do whatever we want to do.
Down the line, I could definitely see us utilizing Sogo. Hypothetically, if we were to open another office, I think that using the data provided from the surveys would definitely help streamline getting things set up a little faster and smoother because we could take that data and actually look at the things patients are really noticing about our office as well as the staff. And we can even incorporate that in our training to make sure we're training them properly, depending on the feedback we are obtaining. When it comes to data analytics and actually viewing the data, I would say that all of the features that Sogo provides is definitely helpful. When I have to provide that data to different managers, you have some managers who actually want words. They want to read everything. But then you have some managers who will prefer to see a graph. So being able to retrieve all of that data and put it in different formats is definitely helpful, especially when you have a large management team. But you still want to provide them with the necessary information that they need in the way they would like to retrieve it. Definitely, I would recommend Sogo to anyone.
Same.